And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you how to make a delicious and easy tomato sauce. So what you'll need is, I have plum tomatoes. I have 14 plum tomatoes. I have 1 onion. I have fresh basil. I have olive oil, salt and pepper, and also 2 fresh garlic cloves. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is take our fresh tomatoes and quarter them. So it's pretty easy, and we're going to put it onto our sheet pan. So we are going to roast the tomatoes and garlic and onion for at least 30 minutes at a temperature of 375. So what you're going to do is take our tomatoes, we're going to put it on our sheet pan. We're going to add our garlic and also our olive oil. So, and the olive oil I have is 2 ounces. We're going to take our garlic, cut it in half, like so. Leave it on top. 2 1/2, like so. We're going to take our onions, just quarter them. Like I said, this is pretty simple and easy. Now we're going to add some salt and pepper. Now when you're seasoning, you always want to go a little bit higher when seasoning so you get more of an area. So it's basically seasons the whole tray versus just one little area. So we're going to take this and put it in our oven at 375, and we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been over a half an hour, and I just pulled out these tomatoes and onions and garlic right out of the oven, and they're nicely done, ready to go. So what you want to do is you want to tap the garlic and get the shells out, or the sleeves out. So good way is you just tap and then press. Yep. Just tap and press. So wow, you could smell the garlic. Wow, this is gonna be delicious. So next we are going to add all this to our blender. So we're gonna add it to our blender, and then we're going to add some water to the sheet tray so I could scrub off the caramelization from the onions and also from the garlic and the tomato. So you get that extra oomph of flavor to it. So I have a 1/2 cup of water. Now I'm going to basically try to scrub away at this caramelization, the pan drippings pretty much. Man, this smells really good. And also, this half a cup of water is going to help us blend. So okay, here we go. So we're going to blend. And now we're going to add our basil to our sauce. Okay, we want to taste. Always taste for salt. Definitely needs a little bit of salt. And some pepper. Now, the interesting part about a fresh tomato sauce is it's not red. It's always orange. I wonder why. But the canned sauces are always red. So, but that's how you could tell a fresh tomato sauce from one that's from a jar or a can. So. Oh yeah, that's really good. And there we have it. We have our fresh tomato sauce. All right, let's dig in. I have some fresh pasta that I'm having with the fresh tomato sauce. You could check out my video on how to make fresh pasta. That's really good. If you'd like to see more content like this and videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.